My name is Philip Lau. I'm the Ralph C. Corley Distinguished Professor of Chemistry and the Presidential Scholar for Drug Discovery here at Purdue University. Pluvicto is a very targeted drug that carries radioactivity very specifically to prostate cancer cells and delivers the radioactivity essentially to no other cells in the body. This places a very toxic radioactive metal into the cancer cells, leading to their death without causing damage to healthy cells throughout the body. It's been very effective and very successful in treating prostate cancer throughout the country and elsewhere in the world, and I believe it will be the major method for treating prostate cancer for many years in the future. Well, Pluvicto distinguishes itself from other treatments for prostate cancer in that it works very well. It was originally tested when it was first introduced into humans in patients who had failed every other kind of therapy. Their cancer had metastasized throughout the body, had spread throughout their bones and their other tissues, and the patients were basically relegated to a very unpleasant death. And 38% of these patients showed a significant prolongation of survival. Many of them showed complete elimination of all malignant lesions, and this occurred with very little toxicity to healthy tissues, in many cases none detectable at all. So has become the best therapy for prostate cancer anywhere in the world, and I believe it will continue to assume that position and dominate the management of the disease in the best hospitals around the world for many years in the future. My focus has been on precision medicines because the major failure with past therapies for cancer and autoimmune and fibrotic diseases, infectious diseases, is that good drugs go to healthy cells. They not only accumulate in the diseased cells, but they distribute indiscriminately also into healthy cells, and this causes a lot of harm, damage to the healthy cells. That's why a lot of cancer patients have their hair fall out, their gut bleeds, they become nauseated, their immune system becomes suppressed, and it's not because the cancer cells aren't being attacked, it's because the healthy cells are being attacked. And what we have done in our laboratory for the past, well, almost 50 years is to design methods that home in very selectively to diseased cells and avoid uptake into healthy cells. And by doing this, we concentrate the really valuable, beneficial medicine only in the diseased cell, and we don't have to worry about the collateral damage that occurs when that drug would go into a healthy cell. The Lau Institute for Therapeutics, or with the acronym LIFT, L-I-F-T, is dedicated to developing drugs that we have discovered over the past 40 years here at Purdue, developing them so that they can be made available to humans to hopefully reduce human suffering, morbidity, and mortality throughout the world. Now, over the past 40 to 50 years, we have developed very good drugs to treat important diseases like malaria, multiple cancers, a number of viral diseases, including simple influenza virus, but also respiratory syncytial virus and dengue virus and others like that. A number of different types of autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis and multiple sclerosis, fibrotic diseases like pulmonary fibrosis and cardiac fibrosis, cirrhosis of the liver, some metabolic diseases like diabetes, and even some CNS diseases like Alzheimer's, and then we're even developing a therapy now for macular degeneration that causes blindness in the elderly.